welcome to Sam Auto Parts. Today's video we are going to the subject of the Ford Ranger T9. As we know, the car of the 2023, which is popular in the overseas market, is the Wordtrack and also the Ford Ranger Raptor. As we can see, the car is already upgraded from the XL upgrade to the Raptor body kits. And today's video we are going to fit our new pod lights for this car. As we know, pod lights, which is very necessary product when we go off-road, is especially for the night driving. And we have the design for T9, which is also fit for the Amarok. So if you are the car owner and have both these cars, you can fit the pod lights to Amarok and also fit on the Ford Ranger. On the other hand, we do also test the pod lights for the car, which is 2016, the Ford Ranger T6. Luckily, the pod lights also fitment for the T6. So back to our topic for the pod lights. Most customers is question about the design. We have two designs, which is number one, which is number two. What's the difference between the number one and the number two? We can find the shape of the pod lights is totally different. And the question three, customer always have the complaint about the price. Why your price so expensive, and why the others offer the cheaper price? As you know, Sam Auto Parts focus on the high quality products in the market, and what we do the painting, which is high quality, the best quality in the market. We have the UV protection. So if the country is so hot and you have the problem about the color before, you can totally understand what I'm meaning, and you can be never worried about the quality of the painting. You can find the gloss black, which is shining under the sunshine, and it's Santorini gloss black. On the another side, the LED, we do already get the E-Mark certification, so it's very good items for the Europe. And if your customers is worried about the warranty, we can offer you the E-Mark certification, and you can give the ideas for your customers. This is the best quality in the market. So today's video, I'm going to fit my number two Ford Ranger pod lights to my cars and give you the different style for reference with the number one. So follow my videos and check installation guide one by one step, and follow Sam Auto Parts YouTube channel. Don't miss any information about the new projects for Ford Ranger T9. Welcome back to Sam Auto Parts. We have finished the installation of the pod lights. As you can find all the integration steps of the pod lights for Defender, for Ford Ranger, and also for G-Wagon and the other car vehicles. That's the same steps. So we can follow the installation guide and step by step as our followers. And we can find this is controlled by the remote. It's already connected with Bluetooth, so when we press the button, it will be bright. And when we want to close it, just press the button. And this one we have the sticker on the back side, so you can stick it at anywhere, which is convenient for you on inside of the car. So if you have any questions or want to development your car Polite, just feel free to contact Summer Auto Parts. Thank you very much for your watching today, and don't be forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next video. Bye bye.